Yeah, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. Today we're going to do a simple battery, bezel, and strap swap out on this classic DW6900, which I purchased on eBay for $21. It is a 1289 module, classic, like I said, 1995, 6900. It's great. You know, I love these 6900s and I like to find them cheap. Got a bezel, got a strap, got a battery. For the rest of this stuff, I got, if you notice on this one here, it's clean except for this little scratch there, whatever that is, dent. I don't know what it is on the glass. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We got our 000 screwdriver, Phillips head. We got our spring bar tool. We got our silicone grease for the gasket. And got some rubber gloves. And that's about it. So let's get started, all right? We know what we do here. Always repairing these watches, trying to get them back to their glory days. So first thing we'll do, of course, is remove the straps on this one here. Let's get that going. Hopefully this is pretty straightforward and simple. Should be. All right. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little elbow grease or whatever that is called to get these straps off. A little annoying sometimes. I think I might need a new spring bar tool. I only have this one and it's kind of hurts my hand a little bit. All right, it's off. Now we're gonna take this. The bezel is clean. Look at that, nice clean bezel. You know, I'll still clean it up. I'm gonna put it in the inventory, but I'm gonna replace it. The bands, the straps are pretty clean too. You know, for an old watch. These are good for inventory. I'm gonna clean these and just put them in inventory, like I do. Take those spring bars out. All right, let's take this bezel off. 000 screwdriver, very carefully, of course. There we go. Sometimes these screws, they've been in here 30 years, you know, and hard to get out. Just got to be very careful. Now, I don't have a OG 6900, DW 6900, you know, first model year one. Believe this is it. Oh, wow, this is stripped, huh? I can't even. Man. There we go. Good. I thought it was stripped. So I'm building up quite a 6900 collection. This is like my 7th or 8th one. Okay, we got the bezel screws off. We're going to take the bezel off. And I just ripped the bezel. What did I just break? I just ripped this right here. Man. So this bezel was pretty brittle. Oh, it's broken here too, and it's broken here as well. So this bezel's shot now. That's unfortunate, but it's pretty brittle. Like I said, it's it's probably 30 years old. Time to be replaced. Okay. Let's get the battery out of this. Replace it. Put the new one in. Oh, it's always that last screw. Jesus Christ. All right, try this. Not grabbing. So I was finally able to remove this back plate. There was a strip screw on here. I don't know what happened. And I just realized that I have a broken DW6900, same model, that I want to use because this glass has that little scratch on it, and it's annoying. And it just, I don't know, it just annoys me. So I'm gonna go grab a different case. I have this one right here. So I was working on a different 6900. I don't know why this thing fell out. This faceplate dial thing. It's the same thing. So I'm just gonna use this case. Okay. So I was able to get the bezel off this one. Yeah, they look the exact same. So I am going to use this one here instead of this one because of this stupid little scratch right there. All right. Good thing I had it. So why don't we take care of the battery. Okay, battery is in. Let's reset the AC. There we go. Finally took, huh? After all that. The AC took me like 5 minutes to reset. I just, sometimes you don't understand what's going on. All right, so this is the better of the two cases, which I'm going to use. This one is nice. Let's pop this back in here. Or in there for the first time because it's never been in this one. And let's make sure the pushers are okay. There we go. Make sure the spring for the audible sounds is there, which sometimes it falls out. Now let us clean this gasket, let us lube this gasket up and get it going in here. gets sticky, it gets messy. That's why we got these beautiful gloves. So let's get this nice and greased as we do. We love silicone grease on our gaskets so we can go into the water without fear of damaging the watch. You got your nice 200 meters of water resistance, guaranteed with the freshly lubed gasket. Now let's get it in there. The other difficult part. That's great. Pop the back on. Then we'll go clean this up. So it's pretty clean. There's a couple little scratches on. I mean, I can't win today, right? You know, you got this one with that nick on it, pretty clean otherwise, and then this one with a couple little surface scratches on it. I think this one bothers me less, even though because this stupid thing really bothers me. So whatever, it's fine. I'll live. I paid $22 for this. This is a long video because I'm having a lot of technical issues as usual with these battery changes. I don't know. You would think it would be easy. It is easy. I'm just bad at this, I guess. All right, let's pop the new bezel on. Brand new. Make sure everything is good here. Pops it right in. Beautiful. And we got brand new Casio strap. Let's replace it. Actually, popped right in. There we go. After all that. So now all I got to do is pop some bezel screws in and we got a nice clean watch. So let's do that. And then we can wrap this bad boy up. All right. Finished product. Nicely refreshed. 1995, I believe. DW 6900. 1289 module. Brand new strap. Brand new bezel. Let's see how it looks. We know how a 6900 looks, but you know, I'm going to try to hit that glass with some poly watch, but I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, it looks pretty good for a classic. The EL backlight is hot. Not too bad. I didn't have one of these classic DW 6900s, and now I do, so good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. As usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one, and how you doing?